Welcome to our channel. In this video, learn how to use Siemens WinCC Report Designer to configure SCADA report printing and automated print jobs. Ideal for generating process, power, and audit reports. Report Designer is a built-in application in Siemens WinCC SCADA that allows users to design, configure, and manage printable reports for HMI and SCADA systems. It is mainly used to generate automated or manual reports related to plant operations, alarms, power consumption, production data, machine usage, and more. Open Tag Management and add a new group, then add a 3 tag. In data type, select real or unsigned integer. Print layouts in WinCC SCADA are templates used to format reports for printing via print jobs. You can create a new print layout or use predefined ones provided by the system. In each layout, you can customize the report structure, content, and formatting to suit your application's needs. Print layouts support multiple languages such as English, German, French, Italian, and more, making them suitable for multilingual industrial environments. To create a print layout, first select the layout language, then double-click on it to begin designing your custom report format. Static objects are used for the visual design of a page layout. You can insert them into both the static and dynamic parts of the layout. These include graphics like lines, circles, ellipses, and polygons. Dynamic objects are linked with data sources that contain valid values for the selected object. These values can be displayed in the WinCC layout. Dynamic components are inserted only in the dynamic part of the layout. They are typically connected to tag values or database datasets. In this article, we use a dataset to print the current tag value. System objects act as placeholders for values such as the system time, current page number, project name, and layout name. They can only be used in the static part of the layout. Examples include date time, page number, project name, and layout name. To create a layout, simply add a line, then insert a static text element to enter a title or name. After that, select a tag from the Dynamic Object section and build your report. Once completed, save your layout. Save after Create Layout, and remember name of layout. To print reports in WinCC SCADA, you need to create a print job that defines when and how the report will be printed. You can choose from predefined templates or use a custom template that you created earlier using Report Designer. To create a new print job, open the Print Job section in the Report Designer. Right-click on the workspace and select New Print Job. Assign a name to your print job and choose the layout template to be used. Configure printer settings, such as the device, number of copies, and output format, e.g., hard copy or PDF. Set the print cycle. You can define it as daily, shift-wise, on alarms, or based on specific events. Save the print job configuration. Open the Graphics Designer in WinCC SCADA and add 3 input-output field and 2 button to your screen. In the input-output field, assign the tag that you defined earlier in the print layout, and tag management always use same tag. Report Designer is an application in Siemens WinCC SCADA software that allows you to create or use predefined print layouts and configure print jobs to generate reports on a daily or scheduled basis, depending on your application needs. The report function is a very useful feature in the industrial automation industry. Using reports, you can generate power usage reports, energy consumption logs, plant production data, machinery usage statistics, and more. These reports can be directly printed as hard copies and saved for future reference. In this article, we will simply learn how to print reports and configure print jobs using Report Designer. The Print Report System function allows the HMI to generate and print predefined reports, either automatically or upon user request. This feature is especially helpful for logging alarms, process values, or audit trails in both physical and digital formats. The report is generated using the HMI's current runtime language and sent to a connected printer or saved locally. Siemens WinCC SCADA also enables users to print runtime screens and reports directly from the HMI system. In this guide, you'll learn how to configure print jobs using VB-Script, use the WinCC Print Manager, and print active screens in runtime. Whether you're printing to a physical printer or exporting to PDF, this tutorial covers setup, troubleshooting, and code examples for WinCC version 7.4 and related versions. This feature is ideal for automation engineers looking to generate customized SCADA reports from WinCC. In runtime, background tasks such as printing daily reports, monitoring tags, or performing picture-specific calculations can be executed as automatic actions. My printer not connected to SCADA, so second priority set and convert to PDF file.